2018 बॅचच्या पदवीदान समारंभाच्या निमित्ताने सर्व नवीन डॉक्टरांचे मी मनापासून अभिनंदन करतो. त्यांनी त्यांच्या आयुष्यात आज एक महत्त्वाचा टप्पा गाठलेला आहे आणि आरोग्य क्षेत्रातील त्यांच्या प्रवासाची एक वाटचाल निश्चित केलेली आहे. त्यांच्या या प्रवासात त्यांच्या आईवडिलांचे मार्गदर्शन, आशीर्वाद, आर्थिक आणि भावनिक आधार त्यांना मिळाला आणि म्हणूनच ते हे आयुष्यातील महत्त्वाचा टप्पा गाठू शकले. या 4.5 वर्षाच्या काळात तुम्ही तुमच्या ज्ञानाचा एक पाया म्हणता येईल तो रचला आहे आणि त्या आम्ही सर्व शिक्षकांनी त्यासाठी तुम्हाला खूपच मदत केलेली आहे. आता ह्या ज्ञानाचा कळस तो तुम्हाला गाठायचा आहे आणि ते तुमचं उर्वरित शिक्षण तुम्हाला पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट असू दे किंवा सुपर स्पेशालिटी असू दे, हे शिक्षण घेऊन तो ज्ञानाचा कळस तुम्हाला गाठायचा असेल. तुमच्या या पुढच्या वाटचालीत माझ्याकडून मनापासून खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. हिंदू हृदय सम्राट बाळासाहेब ठाकरे मेडिकल कॉलेज ह्या वैद्यकीय महाविद्यालयाचे तुम्ही MBBSचे पदवीधारक आहात. या महाविद्यालयाची असलेली नाळ तुम्ही कायम जोडून ठेवा. हे महाविद्यालय तुमचे हे माहेर आहे असं समजा आणि या महाविद्यालयाशी असलेले तुमचे संबंध हे कायम राहू दे आणि अल्युमनाय असोसिएशनचे मेंबर होऊन हे संबंध अधिकच वृद्धिंगत होऊ देत अशी मी आशा व्यक्त करते. पुन्हा एकदा तुम्हा सर्वांचे मनापासून अभिनंदन.
Wishing the batch of 2018 of HBTMC Medical College all the very best for their future. I hope all of you do well in the chosen fields.
Congratulations and best wishes to the graduating batch of 2018. They've had special challenges, learned a lot in COVID times, were an enthusiastic batch who did the faculty event and Arunoday last, and have been very proactive in many ways. I wish them all the very best and hope that they can find their passion and find something which inspires them to do better every single day of their lives. All the best.
18 बॅचला माझ्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. त्यांनी आपल्या कष्टानं जे काय यश मिळवलं आहे, पास झालेलं आहे, त्याबद्दल मी त्यांचं हार्दिक अभिनंदन करतो. पण यानंतर जे पुढे येणार आहे साधारण पब्लिक सेक्टरमध्ये किंवा पब्लिक हेल्थमध्ये येणाऱ्या आव्हानाला तुम्ही असेच पुढे जाल आणि रुग्णांना दर्जेदार सेवा द्याल अशी अपेक्षा करतो आणि तुमचे अभिनंदन करतो. धन्यवाद.
Good afternoon everybody. I am Dr. Rajesh Sukhdeve, Professor and Head of Forensic Medicine at SBT Medical College and Cooper Hospital. I congratulate to all of you of students of batch 2018, which is a outgoing batch. It was very nice experience for me to be your teacher. I congratulate you and give my best wishes for your bright future and endeavor. Once again, many congratulations.
Respected Dean Sir, HODs, parents and students, I am thankful for the batch October 2018 batch for inviting me for that convocation and my best wishes to them.
Good afternoon everybody. Today I welcome and congratulate the students of 2018 on the day of their convocation. I am very happy that they are all gathered today because now they are going to be the doctors and the lifesavers of the future. And I now congratulate them and give all the best for their future endeavors.
Good morning. On behalf of myself and the Department of Pharmacology, my best wishes and a great future to the 2018 batch on your successful completion of your MBBS course. You have been the 4th batch of this institute and have contributed a lot for the development of the new building. You have been providing great services as an institution, and I really hope that you all will be the torchbearers of this institute in the society as successful doctors. All the best.
Congratulations batch 2020. Congratulations to the proud parents. Your dream has come true. Now you have become doctors. This was a very good batch. Many of them I knew personally because I was the academic dean during their tenure. And best wishes for your future endeavor. Thank you.
On behalf of Department of Microbiology, HBT Medical College, at the outset I would like to congratulate the batch of 2018 for their success and convey our best wishes for the future. Hope we have inculcated the importance of diagnostic testing in the management and therapy of the patient, and we are sure you will incorporate this and leverage the same for the optimization of management of your patients. Thank you.
Congratulations to the graduating 2018 batch of medical students and finally getting the prefix of doctor in front of your name. I'm sure it is a very proud moment for each one of you and also for your parents. As you move on to your next level of medical education and training, my best wishes are always there with you, and hope that you always achieve greater levels of success and higher goals as you embark on your future endeavors. Thank you.
Batch 2018, I guess this is the most batch which is the closest to my heart, because 2018 was a year I entered this college and your batch also entered at the same time. So we started our life and journey in this college at the same time, so very very close to my heart. I can't believe that you people are already passing out and you will be actually काय म्हणतो आम्ही पाखरे उडून चालली आहेत. तर छान तुमच्या पंखांना खूप बळ मिळावं, तुमचे पाखरं परत आमच्याकडे जेव्हा तुम्हाला भेटण्याची इच्छा होईल किंवा तुमच्या छोट्या पाखरांना तुम्हाला गाईड करण्याची इच्छा होईल तेव्हा परत यावं. विश यू व्हेरी व्हेरी बेस्ट लक फॉर युअर फ्युचर एंडेवर्स. थँक्यू.
मित्र हो, आज 2018च्या बॅचचा कॉन्व्होकेशन कार्यक्रम या निमित्ताने सर्व शिक्षक, पालक आणि आनंदात असणारे विद्यार्थी या ठिकाणी उपस्थित आहेत. असाच एक प्रोग्राम त्यांच्या ॲडमिशन नंतर MBBS कोर्स सुरू होताना झाला होता, त्याला डीन्स ॲड्रेस म्हणतात. या दोन प्रोग्रॅमच्या मधला जो काळ असतो हा अतिशय खडतर काळ असतो आणि तो तुम्ही पार केलेला आहे. आणि आज तुम्ही डॉक्टर म्हणून समाजामध्ये समाजाची सेवा करायला तयार आहात. तुमच्या या तयारीसाठी आणि तुमच्या भावी आयुष्यासाठी माझ्याकडून तुम्हाला हार्दिक हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
Graduation ceremony for batch 2018. It is indeed a great day, but this great day is based on the recognition and the achievements that you have made or done over the years. It's really good to see you graduate and enter into the sea where you will be faced to various difficulties, and I hope that over this 5 and a half years, whatever you achieve, okay, will help you in that. I congratulate all the 2018 students on this graduation day and hope and all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you.
I'd like to wish the batch of 2018 all the very best for their future endeavors.
This is Dr. Smita Devkar. I am Associate Professor in the Department of Biochemistry. I joined this institution in 2014 and I still remember 2018 batch very well. The Akanksha Singh was the GS of that batch, and the entire batch was very well. We had a good rapport with them and they have completed entire tenure, and now the proud parents are also there. So congratulations to all of you and keep in touch.
Hello Cooperites, how are you? Congratulations so much for your this achievement. I am very happy that you all are graduating. You really deserve this. You have worked very hard for this. Congratulations once again. My all best wishes for your future endeavors. Keep rocking, keep smiling. Now I am working at AIIMS Hyderabad. Please do visit me once you come here. I hope you remember me. This is Dr. Alka signing off. Congratulations again.
Hi everyone. I'm so sorry I'm not able to attend your convocation ceremony. I have been there with you people since last 5 years. And I have a very strong bond and relationship with you people, especially after that famous lecture of Maheshwari. Now it's time to enjoy everything. Many congratulations to all of you. All the best for your future. Cheers.
Hi guys, congratulations. It's really hot here in Pune. So you guys made me wear a shirt for this. You remember that? It seems only yesterday that we were all hanging out together at the hostel and I was lending you my suspenders for your freshers party, was it? And now here we are, your proper doctors, graduating and celebrating your convocation. I'm so proud of you and I'm just so happy that I could be a small part of your life. Well, I know I've done some stupid things, and I guess I've had some wicked flings in my day. And I've had my share of foolish stories, not all of them ended in glory, no way. And there have been times I've crossed the line, but it did not seem so juvenile back then. And I still believe in fairy tales, and I'm waiting for my sunny days, but today's not the day. So say we don't care, why don't we forgive ourselves and sing goodbye? Worry, 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 goodbye. Worry, 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 goodbye. Worry, 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 I'll see you some other day, goodbye. Worry, 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 goodbye. Worry, 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 goodbye. Worry, 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 I'll see you some other day. Whoa, I just can't stop singing this song, so I want all of you join along, cause you know this is my favorite song and I sing it every day. Well, I just can't stop singing this song, so I want all of you join along, cause you know this is my favorite song and I sing it every day. I will sing it every day, and they shall sing it every day, and you shall sing it every day, every day, every day, every day, every day, every day. Congratulations, and I'll see you around. I hope I can perform for you live soon. Have fun, have a blast, stay safe, stay legal. Bye.